Hello friends, welcome back to the Tiny Happy Schoolhouse. In the previous lessons, we learned about the 3 sounds. Let's review them. I'm going to show the sound on the screen. You do the action and say the sound as loudly as you can. Are you ready? Great. Yes, that is t, 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 t. The next one. Awesome! That's S. And the last one. You're right. It's the sound. In this lesson, we are going to learn a brand new sound. Let's take a look at these 3 pictures and name them together. Ink, inch tape, insect. All 3 of them begin with the same sound. Can you tell me what it is? Cool, that's right. It's the I sound, and we'll explore the sound in this lesson. First, let's say the sound with a smiley face. I. Next, with a sad face. I. Next, with an angry face. I. Next, with an excited face. I. Learning new sounds can be tricky, so it's best to do it to learn it with an action. Let's pretend to be a mouse by wiggling our fingers at the end of our nose like whiskers and squeak. I. Give me your biggest smile. I. That's right. Can you guys think of other words that begin with an I sound? Pause this video. Oh, I got 3. Right, let's start. Injection, iguana, itch. What do you have? Now, let's take a look at this picture. Indy was invited to go for an adventure at the forest. Help him find 3 things that begin with an I sound. Pause this video. That's great. Yes, you're right. Let's name them. Iguana, inchworm, and insect. Now, let's find 3 I sounds hiding in this next picture. You ready? Pause this video. Great! I'm so glad you found all 3 of them. Let's practice writing the I sound. Ready? One more time. Great! Before we end this lesson, let's do some blending of sounds to make words. Are you ready? Let's begin. At, ass, ass, it, sit, sat, sat, it's. You can replay this part if you want to practice some more. I hope that you enjoyed our lesson today. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.